Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Hrikin. In this video, we will see how we can generate a audio file from a text. So let's start. So just create a new folder and open with the VS Code. Okay, so create a new file. Let's name it app.py. First, you need to download a library called gttf. So pip install G double TS and hit enter. So when the library is installed, we will start doing our working on code. So let's import the library. So okay, it is saying the library is already installed on my system. It will take hardly 30 to 45 seconds. Okay. From GWTS import GTS. Okay, guys. Now, when the file need to save on this system, so we need to input the OS. Okay, then we will create a variable called TTS where we save our text. So call the object G. So in text we need to write text, what text we will need to convert into mp3 folder, sorry, file. So I will type hello, please like this video. Okay, so we need this text into uh, okay, and we simply add another called lang which is equal to English. Okay, that's it. And now we need to save this file on our system. So tts equal dot save. Uh, you can name the file anything you want. So I will name it as uh, hello dot mp3. And since we need to save it on our system, so let's type over system mp3 mpg 32 hello dot mp3, and we need to add it okay. So let's run this program and let's see the result. Okay, it's running, so no errors. Okay, as you guys see here, the mp3 file is all created. So I will go to the projects folder and just play this hello file.
Hello, please like this video.
Okay, that's it guys for today. I hope you like this video. Please do comment if you have any query and share this with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.